Hey you guys, Amber J here from Bestbettradess, just coming on to give you guys an update on how we made out today. In our Discord made bank today and had some pretty awesome plays, and I'm going to do a recap on how we played Tesla today, and then I'm going to go and give you a couple of levels that I'd be looking out for on AMC and why I think it could be bullish tomorrow, as well as FOMC, and as why I would think that maybe bullish for tomorrow as well. So I'm going to give my reasonings on that. But first, real quick, before we get started, we are doing a giveaway of $100 worth, $200 worth of Bitcoin or $200 worth of a gift card, your choice. If you like, subscribe, comment, and share our YouTube video, as well as follow our Twitter page, you'll be eligible for that draw, which is on October the 1st. So, without further ado, I'm going to get into Tesla and how it was played today. So I know this morning Gundy played Tesla, and it was under right away. It rejected off of the 200, which is very bullish if it's using 200 as support. The buy indicator came up and it pushed up past the 9, 21, and 50 EMA. And then as soon as it got above the previous day high, which is another huge resistance level, as well as this other resistance level at 309.60, he got into calls and rode that up and took his profit there. And that was a really good call out, live and voice by Gundy, as well as this afternoon. I know Brody got into puts on once a sell triggered and it crossed through the EMAs. He rode that down to about the bottom of this candle here. So that was a really good call out and play by Brody. So I just wanted to give a shout out to Brody because he's been crushing it the last few weeks in our Discord, as well as a big shout out to Logan, who's been crushing it, and Buster as well. So you guys, congratulations. You guys have been kicking ass. So I'm really proud of you. Now I'm going to go do AMC and kind of give you an idea on what I think may be happening there. There we go. And then I'm going to go to the 1 hour chart because it's just a little bit less noisy. So I got to shrink it down a bit here. And this one. This one. Okay. So for AMC on the 1 hour chart, I don't know if you can see this or not, but it's pretty much filled, almost filled that gap, a partial gap fill right here at 350, 358-ish. 358-ish. It almost filled that gap, so it was a partial gap, so it could come back down, test the support, and fill the gap. And normally what happens is a gap fill reversal. So we do have that other gap above at like 986 or 987. So it could do a gap fill reversal, or it could just come up from there. But if you can see, there's kind of that W pattern forming here, and then it could come up. So, and also too, another reason why I think it may go up, because FOMC meetings, someone in our Discord, I believe it was Greg, posted the last 4 FOMC meetings, the market turned bullish after the announcements. So if the market turns bullish, like history doesn't always repeat itself, but I mean, the last 4 of them have caused a bullish effect on the market. So if it is bullish, it could bring AMC up with it, or it would, if it is bullish, it would bring AMC up with it, because all the markets would be, all of these stocks would be ripping. Yes, SPY would be ripping as well. So I mean, in theory, I think it could turn, like AMC definitely could have that gap fill reversal. Either it fills the gap fully, or it just rips up from a partial fill to go fill the gap above. So, and then also too with FOMC meeting, if history repeats itself and the last 4 were bullish, it could bring AMC up with it. So yeah, that's it. If you're interested in joining our Discord, it is $50 a month. 7-day free trial going on right now, and it's less than a cup of coffee a day, guys. And the amount of value that's in this Discord is absolutely insane. We do live call outs every day in the voice channel, trading all day long. If you're looking at getting in a trade, all you have to do is say, hey, I'm interested in this, and everyone would be looking at it. And you get lots of different opinions. And if they're all kind of lined up and saying, yeah, I think this is a good move, you know that it's probably a good trade to get into. So it's great sometimes to run a trade past somebody, especially if you're not 100% sure on it. Um, it's truly incredible, our Discord. So if you are interested, please click on the link below and try us out for 7 days. We do have a couple of lifetime memberships available as well. And the same thing, 7-day free trial. Give us a try, see how you like us, get access to Gundy's indicators, what setups we look for, so you'll understand how to trade the market. So it's not holding your hand, we're basically holding your hand through it, but eventually you can go off on your own and trade and not have to, you'll know how to read the chart on your own. So you won't have to rely on anybody else because you'll know how to play it. Anyway, so if you're interested, click on the link below. I hope you have a great evening, and I'll talk to you all tomorrow.